Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the divide face command in Siemens NX. So let's start. Basically, we use the divide face command in Siemens NX to apply the operation on the portion of the face. Suppose if I want to apply some operations on the portion of face, not on this entire face, only half of this face. So we use the divide face command. So this is the use of the divide face. This command is going to divide the face into the multiple faces. It's all up to you that how many curves you need to divide that face. You can select one or more than one. Let me just draw some more curves here. So I'm going to draw some more curves like this, not from that point. Again, just go to the line command, and here I'm going to pick this. And then this one. Just click on OK. Now press home for the isometric view, and you can see this has been placed. Now just go to the divide face command. For that, we have to just go to the modeling. Then here we have to just go to more. Then here we have the command in trim, like we have the divide face. As per the definition, it states that it is going to divide our face into multiple faces. Now just click on it, and here we have the tool options as object, line by 2-point, offset curve in face, and the isoparametric curve. We are going to learn about these three, okay, because these are the most important or widely used. We do not widely use the isoparametric curves, okay, because these three options offers you the flexibility regarding the divide face. Now just click on object, and here I'm going to select this face. Make sure in the intent rule you have the selection as single face, otherwise it will pick up the entire body faces. So make sure to have here single face, and I am going to select this top face, and here the object is going to this one and this one. Now just click on show results. Now you can see the face has been divided. Now just click on OK. Now here we have the selection filter as face. Now if I just hover my mouse here, so you can see here I have this portion only. I have this portion only which is getting highlighted. Why so? Because we have applied the divide face. And if I just go to the last feature, which was line as the current feature, then you can see here we have the complete face. But if I just again activate the divide face, so you can see here is the portion. Now what is the need of divide face? Suppose if I want to apply some operation on this portion only. So first we have to divide the face like I have did. Now I can apply any operation, like I'm going to have the pull face here so that I can lift this face in the upward direction. Like we have the command as pull face. Now I'm going to just pull it by some distance, like 1 mm. And you can see this is how we can do this. So this is the functioning of divide face. If some user have the problem like why we are using the divide face, so this is exactly for what divide face is getting used. Now I'm just going to delete the pull face. Now let me just delete this one also, and I'm going to highlight some lines here, just show the lines which I have drawn. So these are the two lines. Now again just go to the divide face command, and here now I'm going to select the line by 2 points. In case we have not drawn any kind of the curve and we want to draw the curve by using the 2 points, so we can also do that by using the option as line by 2 points. Now I'm going to select this face, and here we are going to specify the points. So we have to just check it out, like if it is snapping any point or not. Now just zoom in. Now I'm going to pick this point and this point. Perfect. Now just click on OK. Now you can see we have divided the face into two portions. Now I can apply any of the operation for the ease if I want to apply the operation on the portion of the face. So this is how we can use the divide face using the option of line by 2 points. Now we are left with the very last option in the divide face, which is offset on face. So here we have offset curve in face. Now just I'm going to select this one, this face, and here I'm going to select this one. Now here I'm going to increase the value as 1. Now you can see this is getting highlighted here. So what is the meaning of offset here? It means that from this curve, it is taking the offset on the same face. Like it is not changing any kind of plane. So it is on the same face, keeping the distance of 1 mm from the very line we have drawn here in the center. So this is taking the offset here. Now just click on OK and it will divide the face. So it will divide the face 1 inches offset from this line. So this is how we can use the divide face command, and this is one of the most important tool. And before we end this session, let me just help you with the last option regarding the vector. In some cases, we do not need normal to face, so we can have the along vector, and you can select the vector whichever suits the divide face command. So this is all regarding the divide face command. In the divide face command, we have learned about the selection of face. We have learned about the selection intent rule, like how to have the body faces and how to have the single faces. Later, we have discovered about the tool options. The very first one was regarding the object. If there is an object, you can use that particular object, and you can also use the surface of face for the dividing face of another body. Okay. And later on, we have discovered about the line by 2 points, and at last we have discovered about the offset curve in face. Basically, we use the offset if there is some reference of the line, and we can use the offset curve in face. So that is all. And if you have learned something new from this video, do hit a like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.